expenses, lunch, printing, and the parking, because we have to be in court literally every day. And persons who live outside of Kingston will experience paying toll and, other traveling expenses. So we pretty much want whatever we're getting to be sufficient enough to not just be able to deal with our traveling and lunch expenses, but other administrative expenses that may come along the way. We're into the minister asking for a meeting so that we can discuss increases or discuss further consideration, because the trial is in full swing and we can't stop that. We don't intend to stop that, but at the very least, we don't want to find ourselves bankrupt in the end.
Matters, Madam Speaker, such as murder, the original fees for senior counsel was $135,000. We have doubled it to $270,000, a flat sum. The junior attorneys was $90,000. We have doubled it to $180,000. And it's the same, Madam Speaker, for non-capital murder, manslaughter, lesser fees for firearm offences, senior counsel $180,000, junior counsel $130,000. In the parish courts for fraud offences, it's $90,000, and for junior counsel $60,000. For fraud cases, senior counsel $120,000, junior counsel $90,000.
Well, my people, it's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Well, look at the screen in front of you. I'm going to take you right back to the Onedon Klansman trial and the broke badness. You just hear the news report, and just like I am saying, Klansman, Onedon gang, they are the king. This dude right here, so, him are the king of broke badness. Yeah, so, me I say, them out there, them a do extortion, them a do this, them a do that. And you want to tell me, them not have no money to get a good defense? It is very, what's the word am I looking for? Nauseating. It make me sick to my stomach. It's like if I did me around Jamaica, would have pack up all of them in the back of an 18-wheeler and dump them in the Caribbean Sea, straight up. No trial. Yo, certain crime, no trial. When I go in at the back, I want to wait me in the 18-wheeler tractor trailer with load up like two of them. And do it like when them do Ben Laden. Straight up. Watch this badness. Yeah. And then the system now. The system are buckle. Crime are commit every day. People are dead. Case are their court. And if you pay them criminal lawyer fee, while them after pay the police, them after. You understand? It's a quagmire. Google the meaning of quagmire. A quagmire is an impossible position. When you're in a quagmire, I like who be at your ass. You understand? I like Obia. Quagmire come in like Obia. Crime a commit. Case of their code. Backlog. No. To pay a liar. For them legal aid for workless and broke and hungry badness. Bad man them. Me have the solution. I have the solution. Get like 10, 18 wheeler, tractor trailer. Make them sign a paper and put them in like, tell them say yo, a foreigner now go. And dump them in the Caribbean Sea, dog. But sorry, me have drink some coffee, me have my morning coffee and tea. It's not proper to eat, but you know countryman not proper. You understand? Me unruly dog. Listen. This gives me a chance to make you know about my crime proposal. Lock up them family indefinitely in a supermax prison. You understand? Then get good health care, everything. Job on the prison compound, but them nah leave till them boy come in and plead guilty. We not even want a trial. The trial thing in a Jamaica, it's too much on the system. Yo, they need to plead guilty. Yeah, they need to plead guilty and then put them in an 18-wheeler and Caribbean see them what's it not it, yo. But I left them in some prison. Yeah, broke badness, workless badness, hungry badness. This is the king. And him have the rest are princes them round him. I think you have one princess in there too. May I get her picture, you know? May I get her picture? Yo, my name is Countryman, remember. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification button and leave some comments because a long time I talk about hungry badness and broke badness and workless badness. And you have another kind of badness, which me I will get into that in another video. You have some man where them are foreigner and then they are foreign, the born here, and you have some Jamaican. I work with them and it's like male order badness. But we're going to talk about that in another video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Silent country girl. Big up yourself. Country crew.